That's what will happen when I get to that evil forest. Once I get there, once I get into that evil forest for the Akoko motel, everywhere will be littered with Akoko more. I will not pick as many as I want. Who knows how many that idiot call himself the man I picked and he is this wealthy. By the time I enter there, and there will be many Akokos, Akoko moss. Oh no, my rope is too big to pack all of them. It's just a devil. By the time I come back at them, I will now become Ozara of Ozara. If I just come back and succeed with coming back with too many of our Pokémons, I will be here to win. Because I can never be alive in this community and allow that to cow and call itself to outside me in this community. Oh mommy, because I can never be alive. I can never be alive in this community and it is too possible.
We have gathered to here to find the person that will represent us in the next Mbande festival. I have the belief that all of them that are here, they are the very best we can produce.
Very well spoken.
Okay. Pull it up. So this is where you hid yourself.
Stop this now.
What do you mean you stop? Pull my rope now. Pull it here now.
Wait. Let's go somewhere private and settle this matter.
You are who? Do I look like an idiot? Eh? If you don't pull it now, I will deal with you.
You're embarrassing me.
What?
Let's go somewhere.
You call for embarrassment. You borrowed my robe. You were supposed to return this 3 days ago. This is the 7th day. How dare you? You have the guts to wear my robe to this place. My friend, if I should go back and use force, if you get off from it, call me idiot.
Stop this now. Stop it now. You're embarrassing me here. Stop.
I what? But okay. Have you forgotten who I am in this community?
I've forgotten. But stop this now. You're embarrassing
me. Stop. You were not there when he came and borrowed. You were supposed to return it 3 days ago.
You're embarrassing. Let's go somewhere.
Yes, stop people. This is your dreams. You will come again to Obolo. If you ever dare it, he was going to return it. 16 years ago. So you have done it. And you have done this now. That's why. This is not how things have been done. What is it? What is it, Jamaka?
I saw how Onoma humiliated you at the village square. I just want to say sorry.
Thank you. I've heard you.
Wait. I'm wondering if I can help you. You can hide here. Let me go and get clothes for you from the house.
I don't need your help. Keep it to yourself. I'll be fine. Sure.
I heard what happened to you today. But why will you allow Noma to do that to you in front of everyone? If you needed new clothes, you should have come to me. Instead, you went to that parrot, Onuma, when you know the kind of person that he is, to beg him for robes. Why will you do that?
Anayo. Deep inside of you, you and I know very well that you don't have good clothes. If I had come to you for clothes, what you would give me is something I would not wear to that gathering.
I see. So the embarrassment you received today, is it better than managing the one that we have already? Is it? Is it better? Why are we friends if we can't help each other in times of need? Anyway, I'm sorry about everything. You'll be fine. We are still going for hunting today, right? Tobenna, can you still go for hunting today?
Yes.
Alright, good. I have to get home first and eat and get ready and come back later. You'll be fine, my friend. I'll see you in the evening.
Oh no, my Bonam. What an embarrassment.
You know, whenever I come see you, I never feel like going back home. I always want to spend more time with you.
Eh?
Yes.
Then stay back. Let's make your home jealous. You can stay here forever.
Yeah. I want you to be patient with me. Yeah. As soon as I am done with all this matter on my table, believe me, I will come and see your people fully. Yes.
Say it's not a problem. I'll wait. Just take things one step at a time, you know?
Yeah, I will. All right. Take good care of yourself.
And you to be safe.
All right. Let's go.
Chika, please, what is going on between Urema and Prince of Umoji? Because I just saw them walking down the village path.
Morie, you like gossip. But I'm going to tell you here and now that they are seeing each other. And will get married soon.
Hey. That is good. But are you telling me that she's not looking to be Nasri? But it's clear that he loves her.
Who is Tobenno?
Tobenno, of course.
You know what? I am going to leave you and your thoughts before you put me into trouble. Tobenna, you're back. It seems like you went to get food, so let me help.
Chamaka. What is your daily routine like?
I wake up in the morning, then I take the goats out. I come back to clean the house, cook, then go to the stream. Then in the evening, I go to the market.
You need to stay busy. Keep yourself occupied So you don't go out there looking for people who are not looking for you.
Sabrina, why would you say
I
that?
have had a bad day. And you will not add to it. I need my space and I need to rest. Leave my hut now.
Okay. I'll go. You're very angry.
I said leave!
It's okay. Say.
Nke a tọrọ iche. Nze ọ dị ka ọnwa ebe itinyeziri ya.
Nekwa aka m dị ọcha.
Nwata m kọla.
Ọ dị egwu.
Thank you so much.
Ọ dị egwu.
It is said that when a cola is offered to a visitor, then the visitor will in turn tell the owner of the house his reason of coming.
Gaa n'iru. Nwayọ.
Yes. You are Nzechiade, the weirdest man of this kingdom.
You want to ekwu ya.
But that is the truth. Eh? You are the richest. You are the best man as far as this kingdom is concerned. Yes, I've come to greet you. I have to travel. I took the pains of traveling far to the best palm wine tapper to get this noble drink to a noble and an influential man like you. So I want you to drink it and enjoy yourself.
Hey! No. Thank you. For the fact that you took the pains to travel very far to get me this good palm wine. Whatever you ask me to do for you, I will do it.
Are you serious? It is a useless monkey that will jump from tree to tree just because trees are close to each other. Let one tree be planted here and the other one planted over there, and let the idiot jump and see if it will not scatter, if it will not destroy himself. You ask me that you will do whatever I ask you to do.
Go ahead.
It's all right. Nze, I will need you to get me the sacred akwa kokumbo.
Unlock it for your cogany.
Were you not the one that said I should ask? I have asked, and I want you to do just like you have promised.
Even the strongest man in this kingdom dare not go to that forest to look for that kokokomo. So what you are asking me is impossible.
But you said you will do whatever.
Not this one. Not this type. Not this question.
You know, Nze, if I have it, once I have this akwa kokomo, I will act according to what it will produce. I will ask the akwa koko whatever that I will want, and I will watch and see it come to pass. I will never have problem anymore in this life.
I have seen you've come to eliminate me.
It is not possible. I cannot travel this far to get a wonderful wine to eliminate you.
It is true. That akwa comes to relieve hardship and poverty. But if it was that easy, you wouldn't have been there. Someone would have taken it. So it is not possible for you to go and get a more.
It's all right. Ije, also again, no?
Or someone, no?
Kedu anya koko, kedu akwa koko, kedu anya ngugebe. Anyanwụ ife.
If you are wearing khaki, wearing kozo.
Tobenna, come out now. The sun will soon be out. Toben, my friend, come out. Can't you see the weather?
Come on now, let's go.
Tobenna. How are you?
Jamaka.
No, Adema. It seems like you people are going hunting. And I thought you would be home today, so I brought you food. Very special. Should I take it inside?
I am man enough to feed myself.
I did not say otherwise. I know. I just decided to make this one specially for you. You like it. It's very hot.
Jamaka. Keep your food to yourself. I do not need it.
But it took me so much time to make this food. Try it now.
I said, keep your food to yourself. As you can see, we are going to the forest. I do not want to be mad at you. So take your food and leave.
Okay. I will go. I don't even want you to be mad. Ngwan, bye.
Tobenna, what are you doing? Can't you see that this girl likes you? Why don't you like her?
And what is the meaning of that?
I'm asking you a question. Why don't you like her?
I do not like her. I am not saying I hate her, but I just don't want her close to me. Meanwhile, are you interested in her food, or you are interested in going to the forest?
But is it not okay? Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, now let's go now. Can't you see the sun?
Chika,
My lady.
how true is the story of the sacred Akwokoko?
The story is true, my lady. I've heard my father speak about it. And when I asked, I was told it's not just a tale. The story is true. There is a sacred egg lying inside the evil forest. The moment anybody is bold enough to find it, the person becomes rich. Whatever you ask of the egg, that is going to do.
This is serious. My father dares not explain such to me. He feels I'm a woman, and I don't need to know about such.
My lady, I'm sorry about that.
You don't need to apologize. It's nothing. What?
Is this like okay?
Yes, you can start with the other one.
My people, we must act fast. The neighboring kingdom is growing bolder. We cannot let them weaken us further. In fact, enough is enough. We must act quickly. Something must be done.
Yes. I agree with you, Mazi Okeke. Yes. Listen, I suggest we go to battle with these people. Bam. Let us go to war with them. Or take them by surprise.
That is it.
You have a point. Open my head, go. I am capable to bring the money for the weapon that we need. I am 100% ready. When it comes to money.
Please, my elders, please. This is not the best idea we need now. Battle will do more harm than good. Let us think of something else. Please.
And who asked you to speak? Your opinion is not needed now. The son of a nobody should not speak when men of influence are discussing important matters.
Hello?
Your opinion is to listen and not to speak.
May the gods of this land bless you. Tobena, or whatever you are. Let me tell you. When real men like us are talking, silence is what is expected of you. Keep quiet, listen, not to talk. And I'm a kuti person, I'm a wala. Therefore, keep quiet. And you. But don't blame me. In a camp like this, just because you are allowed to sit with us, it's all right. Like I said before, this idiot rudely interrupted me. Yes. I am of the opinion that we go to the king and tell him that we are ready for battle. Yes. No, you have a point. A strong one. This morning, my world is built on hard work. And God, before signing. Nobody weapon is not a problem. I am capable. That is
Onoma, why is everything for you money? Eh?
Please.
Why is everything for you money?
It is because he has the money.
Please, my elders. Please. This is not the best idea we need now. Battle will do more harm than good. Let us think of something else. Please.
And who do you think you are, Tobena?
You know, are you mad? Ibe, what do you mean? What is the reason you are going to war? What is the reason?
I am not talking to you.
I am talking to you now.
Of course, it's obvious that the both of you are in the same shoe.
Hey, it's enough. Hey, Onoma, Ebi now.
Look at
Hey.
One more.
I may not be rich, but I am not a fool. Just because I do not have wealth does not mean I do not understand the matter at hand. Watch the way you talk to me.
Hey, sit calm.
Onoma,
Shut up and sit down.
Onoma, keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Let him stand. Leave him. Let him stand.
Tobena. My people, I've listened to both camps, and my judgment is
Who doesn't think he is? That I talk and this idiot who open say that he called mad. Are you mad? Do you have money? Go. We are talking about going to war. And you are defending it because you know that you will be among the people that will go to that war.
You pay up the way you talk to me.
Listen, Tobena. I have told you this before. You don't have a chance of winning my heart. I like you, yes. But you don't have what it takes. You are just a poor hunter. Yes! You are going to be poor for the rest of your life. Else, you're ready to go to the forest and fetch the akwokoko more. Yes. Which I mean is not even possible. You cannot do it. Not in your dreams. So, you are going to be poor forever. Ogini. Did I lie? Is it my fault that my father is the wealthiest man in this kingdom? Nah, I cannot settle for less. Inugo.
Remember, I understand you. But I want you to know that I really want you so much. Yes, I want to have you. I want you as much as I want wealth and power. Talking about Akwokoko, the secret egg. I have heard a lot of stories about it. Onoma even mentioned it to me. But How true it is? How are we sure if I get this akwa okuko, it will give me wealth and power? Rema, I will think about it. Rema.
Wait.
What is it? What is it? Okay.
Nothing. I saw the way they humiliated you at the meeting at the village square.
I do not need your sympathy. Stay away from me.
Wait, it's just that I'm just concerned about you. I wanted to say sorry.
How did you know? How did you know I was humiliated?
I was just passing by the...
You were not just passing by! You have been following me around this village. How else do I tell you that I do not like you? I do not want you around me. Stop monitoring my life. Stay away from me. Are you that jobless? Don't you have something doing? Chiamaka, let me warn you for the last time. I am not a woman beater. Do not push me. I am upset right now. Stay away from me.
So sorry. I know that you are angry. Tobena, sorry.
Greetings.
Chamaka.
Kedo.
What do you mean?
It's been long ago. You've been so scarred.
You know the nature of my job. It takes much of my time.
But at least the job is paying you well.
Yes.
Money is the most important thing now, eh?
Yes.
Chika Biko, I would like to work at Urima's place, so if you can help me, tell her. Tell her I'm a very hardworking girl.
Are you sure you don't mind working there?
I am telling you that I don't mind at all. It's better than tending to goats and farm work. It's very stressful and it doesn't even pay so much.
Okay, I'm going now. There is a space. One of our workers stopped working. Maybe.
Biko, just help me tell her. Tell her that this person will not give her any trouble at all. You know me now.
Okay. I'll talk to him about you.
Okay.
She might tire you.
Hi. I know she will.
She will.
She will. Thank you.
Let me start going.
No problem. Thank you. Tell her, don't forget.
I won't.
Akwa okukumo is said to bring riches and wealth. But a man long ago went to find it. When he returned, he became rich. People respected him. People feared him. But the power of the sacred egg is not something easy to control.
So what happened to him?
He lost control over the sacred egg. The power consumed him. He tried to return the sacred egg to the forest, but it disappeared. Some said he died. Some said he has moved into another land because he could no longer live in our land. With shame of having gone from rag to riches and back to rags.
Iche, he was overwhelmed by the sacred egg's power. How was he supposed to control it? Was there something he did not do?
How would I know? The sacred egg is tied to the spirit of the forest. It can give wealth and it can also destroy. But I think he wasn't strong or wise enough to manage it.
So he left and never returned.
Well, they say the chief priest advised him to return the sacred egg before it was too late. Like I said earlier, no one saw him. Whether he died or vanished in shame, I do not know.
Thank you very much, Ichie. Thank you for sharing this with me. I will leave now.
Tobenna, this one you are so curious about Akwa Okukumo. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Because making quick wealth may lead to destructions.
I just wanted to know if the story is real or just a fairy tale.
Rushing to make money through shortcut or through rituals, or rather through some dark forces, can bring you trouble. What you gain in the blink of an eye can be lost just as swiftly. Remember, real success comes with patience. Everything has its own path and time. Those who rush into it pay a higher price.
We will see. I will go now.
And I hope your curiosity doesn't lead you into danger. Tread with caution. Tread with caution and be careful.
Goodbye, Ichie. Should I go and get the Akwa Okukomo? Is it worth it? But how did the man fail? Was there something he failed to do? Or was the sacred egg not meant to be outside the forest for a long time? Oh, I think this is the reason he lost control over it. If that is the case, I will not let it stay long with me. Once I have acquired riches and power, I shall return it. If this is the only way out of poverty, then I shall take the risk. Whatever happens afterward, I will figure it out. Yes, that is what I will do.
Chika, I am so sorry for keeping you waiting. I was busy.
No, you were so lucky. I told you Emma about you and she accepted.
She accepted?
Yes, now.
So I have a job now?
Yes, now.
Thank you so much. So when do I even start?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? 18K?
18K.
Hey!
Come very early, okay?
I will be there very early in the morning.
Yes.
I'm already there. Let me go and
Let me
arrange
start
my
going.
things and start coming. Thank you.
I'm
How
happy
do I
for
even
you.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Hey.
Mr. Green. God bless you.
Thank you, eh? Thank you. Hey. Hey.
Wait. Leave this place, John. Go out of my way. What is this? Are you not clearing the bushes?
Tobenna, we have come this far. We can't go back empty-handed now. Let's just fetch a little. Maybe the animals might be hiding somewhere.
Anayo, I am tired. I am done. I am not going to do this again.
Oh, Tobenna, you are not understanding me. We have come this far now. We can't go back empty-handed now. After all this long walk inside the bush, you expect us to go empty-handed?
Yes, I am going empty-handed.
No.
I will go empty-handed. I cannot continue to walk inside this thick forest. Yet, nothing to show for it. I will not do it. I will not continue. If you want to continue, go inside and start looking for those animals that are hiding.
Okay, you know what? Let's try another kingdom. Maybe we'll find something there. I think it's better.
What is this nonsense you're saying?
Let's try another kingdom now. Maybe we'll find an animal there now.
We should go to another kingdom to find animals.
Yes.
You must be mad.
Okay, Tobenna, wait now. Okay, Tobenna, wait. Let's just try another kingdom.
Do whatever you want to do for your
Tobenna, wait now. Tobenna.
You are here? Yes. Welcome. Thank you. Okay. Follow me. Let me show you to your hut and also how things are done around here. Thank you. I just hope I'll be able to do well here. You will be fine. Urema's place is good. Just follow the routine and you will settle in perfectly. Thank you. You're welcome. Come.
I thought about what you told me, and I have made my final decision. I shall go into the forest and fetch the sacred egg.
You want to go and fetch Akwokokomo?
Yes, I must.
My lady, I am back.
Okay, you're welcome. I'll be with you in a minute.
She works here too?
Yes, one of our workers left, then we took her in. Any problem with that?
No, not at all. Like I was saying, I shall be leaving soon. As soon as I am fortified.
I see how determined you are. I wish you all the best.
I shall return back. And if I do, you shall be my bride.
Let's see how it goes.
Tobenna, please, don't go. I beg you, not to go to the evil forest to get the secret egg. It is dangerous.
How did you know my plans? And who gave you the right to tell me what to do?
Tobenna, anybody that truly loves you would encourage you not to go. Please, don't go there. What if you die there?
May the gods forbid. Chamaka, be careful. Watch your mouth. If you ever put your eyes in my business again, I will go to your masters and report you to them. And you know what that means? You will lose your job.
Tobenna, look at you. You are a young, hard-working man. You are doing well for yourself. Why are you letting them pressure you?
Will you stop this? Stop it! One more word from you again, I will return to Uremma. Now leave my hut.
Just don't go.
Leave!
Don't go, Tobina, don't go.
What is the meaning of this?
What do you think about Tobina?
Tobina is a good man in his own way, but he's poor. He barely even manages to feed himself, let alone somebody else.
Well, from my own opinion, being poor is temporal. I feel if he does things right, he might become among the wealthiest men in this kingdom. But do you think he will make a good husband?
Husband?
Yes.
My lady, the best man for you is the prince. Tobina is poor. A man needs to be able to provide. Love alone doesn't fill an empty stomach.
True. If he's not rich, I won't marry him. Mama Uremma, I cannot marry a man that is not rich. You must have half the wealth my father possesses. If not, Adekwama ano.
Exactly. Achalug, look at how beautiful your hair is.
Darling.
Omalicha. Achalug.
By the strength of the earth, by the breath of the wind, by the fire of the sun, you are fortified. You are shielded and guided, protected by the ancient ones. You are fortified by the Spirit. The forest shadow cannot claim you. You will walk with courage, for the Spirit will walk with you. Now you are fortified. You will walk with the Spirit. You may not go. You are fortified. You walk with the Spirit. You may not go. Go. You are fortified. Go. 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 You are fortified by the Spirit. Go. Go.
What are you doing here?
Tobina, I have come to understand. Because I do not understand. Why do you want to go to the evil forest? Why do you want to risk your life? What if you don't come back? What if there's even nothing there?
How many times have I warned you to stay out of my business?
Tobina, I care about you. I will not just sit back and watch you do this to yourself. What if you die? Huh?
I do not care about you. Do you even know how it feels to be where I am today? Do you know how it feels to be looked down on by your people? How it feels to be embarrassed? To have nothing to show for it? Chiamaka, do not push me to go and report you to Urema.
Go ahead. Tobena, go ahead and report me to Urema. I do not care. You know what I will not do? To sit back and watch you lose your life for something that does not even exist. What is wrong with you? Look, Tobena, I know that you're trying to feel worthy. Okay? I know you're trying to fit in. But is it even worth it? Have you ever asked yourself if this woman truly loves you? Do you even know if Urema loves you?
What did you just say?
Exactly what you heard. I hate to break it to you, but I do not think she loves you. I just think she wants someone who is rich. Someone who can fit into her status, because if she truly loves you, there is no way she will let you go into the evil forest and risk your life.
Are you this desperate? I will warn you for the very last time. Do not put your eyes into my business again. Now leave my sight. Leave my sight before I do something I will regret.
Tobena, you mean you are really going into the evil forest to search for Akwa Okuko more? What if you don't return?
If I die, I die. But I must go. You never know what is on the other side of here. It could be a great fortune or nothing. Please, tell no one.
But you know I don't have friends. What if something happens to you out there? What do you expect me to do? I feel like crying right now.
Do not cry. All I want from you is your best wishes and prayers. I have to go now.
Wait! Tobena!
What is it?
Wait!
What is it? Save my time. I am going on a long journey.
I know you are going on a long journey. I'll pray for you. I'll pray that the gods of our land will bring you back safely.
I do not need your prayers. Keep your prayers to yourself. I have a lot of people who are praying for me.
Okay, wait. Please take this. This was given to me by my grandmother. I only wear it on special occasions. You can have it to protect you. The spirits in the forest, they will frown at you for seeking for power. But this will help.
Ina Yala, are you mad? You just said that you will pray for me. And now you're giving me these beads for protection. Are you confused?
Please.
Let me tell you. If I need prayers, I have people who are praying for me. I am leaving you now. Do not stop me again.
Just take this video, it will help you. Just take it. Novena! I'll pray for you, okay?
Mmadụ egbuna m. Eji ana bụ isi ije. Mmụọ egbuna m. Mmadụ egbuna m. Eji ana bụ isi ije.
did you seek in this place, you mortal?
Please, I do not mean no harm. Just allow me be.
Go back! For this land is not made for mortals. And this is your last warning.
Please.
Come! Come! I know what you seek, and I will help. Come!
No. I know you will not help me. Mmadụ egbunam. Mmụọ egbunam. Eji ala bụ isi ije. Mmụọ egbunam. Mmadụ egbunam. Eji ala bụ isi ije. Mmụọ egbunam. Mmadụ egbunam. Eji ala bụ isi ije.
Listen, my people. My suggestion is that we send warriors to fight the people of Osala. I'm telling you. Yes. Listen, they will not stop stealing from us unless we attack them. This was what I was talking, and that idiot that called himself Tobenda was suggesting something else. By the way, why is Tobenda not here? Where is Tobenda? Why is he not here? Why is he not?
How do I know? He does not miss a meeting like this. I guess he is sick, or probably might have gone somewhere.
Go where?
No, go
where?
Good for nothing.
Go where? Eh? Where does he know? No, where does he know beside this kingdom? Where was Oma? Listen, somebody should send him this message. Let him get prepared to join the warriors.
Oh, hey.
Not only him, with that idiot that call himself Anayo. Yes, they should get prepared to join the warriors, because we can't have them sitting around talking and doing nothing. This kingdom. Oh yes. Even the Igwe is in support of this, because I had a meeting with him and he obliged. Yes, I will provide the weapons that are needed for this battle. Don't you go all the
In fact, you are indeed a great man.
Thank you.
Onuma, I, Iche, okay, we stand by you. And whatever you say stands.
That is
I will send a message to the chief warrior. We will set a date for the battle. Well done, Onoma.
Thank you.
You are a true son of the land. You are a man of the people,
yes.
For the people, and
by the people. I will provide the necessary weapons for war.
Come on. I heard you grant wishes. Please, please protect me from the evil spirits along this forest. Please, please.
Akwa nọ n'ime agụ, akwa na-enyekwa akụ n'ụba. Oh, mana akwa siri ike okwute dọrọ n'ikpere mmiri mmiri macha ozuru ike. Chai, onye dị ya jikwa ihe, onye dị ya nwere akụ n'ụba. Oh, mana ihe mewe ife akwa ọkụkọ ya na sacrifice. Oh lo 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 lo, akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike, ọ dịkwa ike akwa ọkụkọ dịkwa n'ajọ ọfịa iyo. Akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike, akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike, akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike. Ị ga-akakwa obi ajebulu n'akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike, akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike, akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike. Ịbụba karịa n'ike akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike. Ewe onye akwakwa n'ọsọ mgbe oge supe akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike.
I made it. I made it. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. I knew what I wanted was on the other side of fear. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ, you are finally in my heart. You are here! Akwa ọkụkọ. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. They said you give wealth, riches, and power. I have come to request for wealth. Give me wealth. Prove yourself. Prove yourself. I need a bag of cowries. Bag of money. Show yourself. Done it! You have done it! Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. I have one request. One more request. Please. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. I want to be powerful. I want to be powerful. Prove yourself. Show me that you have answered. Show me. Prove yourself. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. Prove yourself. Hey! 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey! Yes! 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 I am powerful. Yes! I will worship you till the day I die. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ! Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ! Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ!
Please, a minute. I want to tell you something. Please.
Please, Tobena.
Go ahead.
You know my boss, Onuma, the wicked man. The one that the two of you used to, you know now, please. I'm not comfortable with him. Please. The money he's paying me, it's not okay for me. The money he's paying me is not okay for me, and I'm not comfortable. And in this community, we all know that you are the only richest man. The only richest man, Odogu one, we have in this community. So please, I want to work with you. Please, Tobena, please.
Get up. Your request is granted.
Odogu, Tobena.
And your work starts now.
I will serve you. I will start the work.
Jamaka, what is it? Have you heard?
Heard what?
Tobena is at the village square. Throwing money at everyone. I've not seen him for a few days. And now he's back with a lot of money. Hey! Let us go. Let us hurry to the village square. I need to see for myself. I can't do what? You know Urema is going to be angry if our chores are incomplete.
Hey, but thank the gods. Thank the gods, Tobena is
thank
back.
The gods. Let me go back to
thank the gods, he is back. Tobena.
My people. I have something for you. Iche. This is for you.
For me?
Yes.
All this for me?
Yes.
Alone?
Yes. Iche.
Tobe.
Hey.
Tobe.
It is for you.
Hey. Hey. Okpofa ndị azụ.
Hey.
Okpofa ndị azụ. Okpofa ndị azụ.
I know you need this. Okay.
Hey.
Let me. Thank you very much.
Yes. What is going on here now? What is going on here now? What is that again?
This is money issue.
What do you mean? Money issue?
Look at
I'm gonna be giving you money. I'm gonna be giving you money.
And so what?
Is this a different money? Go reach it.
And so what? This is money.
What is going on here?
This is money. Good money. Look at Tobena. Are you the one giving us this money?
Yes.
This money is so huge.
Very, very huge.
Can we not allow this idiot disturb this meeting? If you want to give people money, he can give people money in their houses, not here now. What is going on here? What is going on here?
My elder.
Ha! Tobena.
The gods have blessed me.
You go? Sure.
And it is only right for me to extend these blessings to my people.
Exactly.
Shall be well with you. Yes. You are the true son of this land, Tobena.
Onuma.
Get to that parlor. If you want to call that Onuma, it's respect. Idiot.
I have something for you. I will give you 40 cows.
Oh! 40!
I want you to come to my hut and collect it.
Are you?
Follow him.
Forgive me. I know you are a notable man in this kingdom.
Oh! Yes. Thank the gods that you know.
Okay. I am going to increase it to 50 cows.
Idiot! I am going to increase it to 50 cows. Kawakanya! Idiot!
Onuma!
Don't Onuma me! Don't Onuma me! I cannot sit here and allow this idiot to insult me!
Onuma, have you saved up to that 50?
Now save up to
Have you saved up to the 50?
Have
you saved up to the 50?
You won't tell her! In fact, see, let me tell you, because you people are not ready for any meeting, I will never come here again.
Follow him! Onuma!
You go for me,
go collect it.
But don't go to his house and collect it without letting us know. I need to hear what we show.
It is okay.
Leave him.
It is okay, my elder.
Obena, it shall be well with you.
We listen to you. Don't mind this.
Allow what Onoma is doing to disrupt our wonderful moment.
Yes.
Forget about him.
May the gods of our land continue to bless you.
My beautiful queen. Yes, because in no time, I am officially making you my bride. How sweet that feels, you know. I can't wait. What is going on? I mean, since I came to your hut, you haven't even smiled at me. Are you okay?
See, Dikeh, I really need to be very frank with you. I think you need to slow down with this whole marriage plans. Just take it easy. Everything is...
Yeah, but this is what you've always wanted. I mean, this is what we have always wanted.
Eh?
Yes.
Omalicham. Akugo. Are you ready?
Excuse me?
Yes.
Who is this young man? Do you know that the woman you are talking to is my wife to be? Do you know that? Huh?
Omalicham. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Remember, are you going out with me?
Let's go.
What just happened now? Remember, I have never been this humiliated in my life. Remember, how is this possible? I am the Prince Dikeh of Umbalefo. No one has ever humiliated me in my life. Insult in this community, in this kingdom. A whole me on Mabiwe. It cannot happen. It can. Chiro. What just happened? What just happened at the village square? No, let me understand. Did the elders insult me because of Tobena? A boy of yesterday, little Banshe Nchi of yesterday. Baron cannot happen. It's an insult. It's an insult to my person. Because I know what I have done for this community. Just because not just of Bago here, then insult came and elders are backing him up, praising him. No. Cannot happen. Back Onoma. I Onoma Biwe will not let this to slide. No, not possible. But Onoma, oh, no. Onoma, sit up. Because what I'm seeing right now is that an idiot wants to claim my glory in this community. Omame? But how? What happened? How did this happen? Can you possibly that someone that barely feeds himself, how come something happened that he now have so much money to give? It cannot happen. Maduyada, he told me. Hey.
Night, Chade. I have been admiring and interested in your beautiful daughter for a very long time. Yes. But I did not have what it takes to come and ask for her hand in marriage until now. The gods have blessed me. Yes. They have indeed blessed me. They have put smile on my face. And that is why I have come to do the needful.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
I used to know you as a young, simple man struggling in this kingdom to make ends meet. How come all of a sudden you became rich like this? What is the secret?
No. The heart of a poor man is occupied with what will make him better. It is a very long story. But all I can say for now is I invested in a risky business. But it's paying off now. Yes, it is going well. Yes. But I promise you, I will tell you the full story on a very good day.
No problem, if you say so.
Thank you.
You are welcome once more.
Thank you very much, Ndai.
Urenu, my daughter.
Papa.
You have heard what your suitor said. Do I go ahead and accept him?
Yes, Papa. You can go ahead and accept. He's the one my heart chooses.
It is settled. You go back to your family and arrange with them and tell us the day you are going to come and pay my daughter's dowry. We shall be waiting for you.
Thank you, Nai.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. I will go and come back with my people and do the needful.
We shall be waiting for you.
Manager, I have to be on my way now.
Thank you so much.
Okay, yes. Papa, come one early over.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
What is happening? No, how come? How did Dobena get all this money? All this money that he has been spending? How? Kedebo Djibouti Bikon. And he seems so fearless and powerful. Bah! That little Nchi wants to overshadow me. But I will not allow it. I will show him. I will tell him that I have lands.
crazy. Somebody that comes to me to borrow ropes, to lend cloth, now has so much money that he gives away. No. But wait, Jero, he offered to give me 50 cowries. How? How did he get 50 cowries? How did he get 50 cowries? Because Muabu onomabi when abasimboike, the most that I have saved this year is not even up to 40. And then this idiot offered to give me 50 cowries. How? Where did he make? How come he has made so much money that he now give away and offer to give 50? Bah! I'm gonna show him. How did he make money? How? Allah. It is not dream now. This is reality. This is reality. How can idiot of Tobewu offer to give me 50? Bah!
Tobenna, my good friend.
Anayo.
Tobenna.
Anayo.
You look good.
Thank you very much. Thank you, my friend.
You know, I heard you were back, but I didn't believe it.
Well, I am back. How are you doing?
You have seen me now. Eh?
It's so good to see you.
How was your journey?
My journey was okay. Anayo, my journey was not for the soft-hearted. My journey was for the brave-hearted. Brave men. But do not worry. I will tell you more. So, if you're not going anywhere, you can join me to my hut.
That's it.
I have a lot of things.
A friend that never forgets his true friend. Eh? Tobenna, take me to anywhere you want. Of what use am I to myself?
And you're my friend.
Take me to anywhere you want to take me. I'm ready.
Let us go.
Ha! Tobenna, you really conquered. Look how magnificent you are looking. Eh?
Let us go.
Oh yeah, I am not going to anywhere again. Tobenna.
Let's go.
Wow.
People of our land, the king has asked that each of us donate at least 2 pieces of land for the village agriculture projects. But the problem is, some of us are having just that 2 pieces of land. If we donate it, what will they farm on?
You have a point here.
Some of us are capable. Yes.
What?
My elders. I, Tobenna, Mbuefi, I will volunteer 20 lands to those people who do not have enough to give out.
Tobenna. Tobenna. My people. As nego chi adi atanchawa. Muwa bono mabiwe. I will volunteer 30 land.
Hey, on my way. Hey, 41.
41.
Hey. Hey, Odogu.
Well, now. Odogu Kambo.
My elders, I am going to add 20 lands to the one I have given. Making it 40 lands.
40. Hey. Hey.
Take a book it up. Take a book.
You
give one. Take a one. 40. What is it? Did you give anyone? Okay, fine. At this juncture, yes, I am volunteering myself.
Yourself?
In fact, I am giving 41 land.
Hey, on my way. Hey, 41.
You need to see.
On my way. Hey.
At this point, I am going to give 50 lands.
Oh!
I do not have enough to give.
50! Hey! 50!
No. This is conspiracy. I cannot continue. I forgot that.
50!
Is it that each time we cannot hear, you people will conspire against me. What can I 50 for what can
Chica,
My prince.
please, I sent for you because I know you are Urema's right-handed maiden. Please, I want to know if she made mention that I offended her.
My prince, I understand how you feel, but I'm forbidden to discuss about my lady's private life.
You don't understand how I feel. No, you don't. See, Chica, please, I am begging you, please. I need you to tell me why Urema abandoned me for that young man. And that, Tobina or whatever his name is. I want to know more about him so that it will help me to know how to follow him. Because I don't know why she rejected me. I didn't do anything wrong. We had plans.
My prince, I'm sorry, I need to take my leave.
Chica. Yeah, that's all.
Nadal. Is he in? Tobena! Tobena!
Yes, who is that?
It is me.
Shamaka.
Tobena, I would really like to talk to you.
About what?
I heard you want to marry Urema.
Oh yes, I want to marry her. Is anything wrong with that?
Tobena, does she love you as much as you love her?
And how is that a problem?
Tobena, I have heard her say you are the man she has chosen to marry.
Okay.
But I've never heard her say she loves you. Don't you see a problem in that?
The only problem I see here is a maiden who do not want to mind her business. Chiamaka, tell me, what do you want from me? Is it money? Is it clothes? Is it beads? Tell me.
No.
How much?
Tobena,
How many?
I do not want your money. I just want to make sure you are happy and that you're making the right choice.
Chiamaka, I am old enough to make the right choices. And I am old enough to make myself happy. Do not worry yourself. Go to your hut and look for something doing.
I welcome all of you once more. Having satisfied every other traditional rites, it is now time for my daughter to take this pan one and show us who wants to marry her. Hey. Orema, my daughter. Take this wine and show us that young man who wants to marry you.
Okay, Papa.
And what is going on here? What is going on here? So after everything we shared, you want to leave me and get married to this young man? Was that what we agreed on? Was that what we agreed? For you all to know, this marriage will not hold. Yes! I said this marriage will not work.
What is this madness? How dare you come here and ruin my day? How dare you show your face on this place to scatter my beautiful day? How dare you! How dare you! How dare you!
I hope you have enough wine. Because today I'm going to drink enough. My best friend is getting married. I need to prepare ahead. Bring the wine.
Mana, I want to ask. Tobenna of yesterday,
yes,
is now the talk of the village.
Of course. That is life for you. Okonku, that is life.
But wait, how did he acquire all this so much wealth?
Who is talking about the source of the wealth? All we are saying is that Tobenna is now a rich man.
Yes, you look at talking all you idiot.
Onoma.
Again. He just asked you a question. How did he acquire his wealth? Instead of you to answer it, you know
Onoma, all I am saying is that Tobenna, my friend, is not the richest man in this kingdom. He's even richer than the king. And even you too.
Onuga le.
He's not richer than you know that.
Okay, is it because he's your friend?
He's my friend.
Because he's your friend?
Yes, he's my friend, yes.
You're not talking rubbish. He asked you, what was his source of the money? What was the source of his wealth?
Who cares about the source of the wealth? Who cares about the source of the wealth?
Tell us. Tell us. He just asked you question.
Nobody cares about the source of the wealth. Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
His wealth will kill you.
It's a lie. Onoma, it's a lie.
I'm telling you.
It's a lie.
Because you don't want
to care. Are you not jealous that he's not richer than you?
You don't want to care how he.
Are you not jealous that he's not richer than you, Onoma? I'm not going to insult. No, it's okay. I'm not going. Onoma, it's okay. I'm not going. Tobenna, my friend, is not richer than you.
The blood of my nostril will disappear you from
lies. In fact, the pan wine, put it in a jar. I want to take it home now and continue the celebration there. Thank you. Now put it. Let me go.
No,
Onoma, thank you. Tobenna is not richer than you.
May this wealth bring him happiness.
He said Bogi, idiot. May his wealth bring him doom. May his wealth bring him death. He said idiot.
Onoma, Tobenna is not richer than you.
Omaricha. Welcome to my hut, my beautiful wife.
Thank you so much.
Omalicham. Ugebo Yibom. Akugo. Let me tell you. If my heart could speak, it will tell you how much lucky it is to have you in this place. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Every corner of my heart is filled with life. So make yourself comfortable. Omaricha, I promise to spend every day of my life making you feel loved and cherished. And that is all you deserve.
I am so happy to be here. I am so happy to be your wife.
Thank you so much.
I love you.
And I love you too.
Take me inside.
Of course.
Oh.
Ini no koko ini ne. 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 Oh, hoping I want more. Hoping I want more. To ben na mwiku ala mobio. I will wait, I'll be waiting for you. I know you may not see your future, but I say that our future is bright.
My lady! What is it? Are you okay?
Yes. Yes. I'm okay. It was a dream. It was a dream. It felt so real.
I'm sorry about that.
You will. Where's Tobena?
He's not back yet.
Eh?
He's not back. Are you sure? Do you want water? Let me get you water.
Gaba!
Hey, Ada, guess what? You won't believe what I heard today.
Okay, don't worry.
My dear, I heard that Tobene's sudden words came from the sacred egg that he brought from the evil forest.
What?
Hey! So you have not heard it? Hey! Very nice, you know. Everybody needs to say, yeah, I've heard about it.
Olo. Nkite you gonna apa? Nkite you gonna apa?
Tobena's wealth came from our Kwakukumo. Hi! Ube Juba Nico. Ube Juba Nico. Hi! Tobenna! Ha!
Onoma, mention that name with some respect. It is a big name.
You idiot! Which big name? Big name Power Ghana! So it is Akwakuku more! It is Akwakuku more that made you rich! And you're here, parading yourself, challenging a man like me, who built his wealth through hard work. Ha! Hey now! Hey now!
Onoma, now that you know, what can you do about it?
Oh! You are not even ashamed of it.
I am not ashamed.
You are not ashamed of yourself.
I am not ashamed.
Oh!
It doesn't change the fact that I am more powerful and richer than you now. Onoma, let me tell you. Go to your hut and rest. When rich men in this kingdom are counted, you can never be mentioned.
You will see. Very big. Evil forest. Don't worry. I will go to that evil forest and get my own Akwakukumwo. I know that when you go to that evil forest, a lot of Akwakukumwo will be littered everywhere. By the time I go there and come back with my own pack, me make along with you. For all the shame, for all the trouble you caused me in this kingdom, I will give you double. Me make along. Why for all the shame that you caused me in this kingdom? Akwakukumwo that made you rich.
I wish you the very best. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ. I need 3 bags of calories. I need 3 bags of money. Yes! This is it. This is it. Yes! This is it! Listen. Yes! Akwa ọkụkọ mmụọ.
Ogini Nemegi, what is it? What is it?
That is what will happen when I get to that evil forest. Once I get there, once I get into that evil forest for the Akwokoko motel, everywhere will be littered with Akwokoko more. I will not pick as many as I want. Who knows how many that idiot that call himself to be the picked and he is this wealthy. By the time I enter there, and there will be many Akwokokos, Akwokoko moss. I'm now, my rope is too big to pack all of them. With just a devil. By the time I come back at them, I will now become Ozala of Ozala. If I just come back and succeed with coming back with too many of our Akwokoko, I will be here to be now. Because I can never be alive in this community and allow that to cow that call itself to be now to assign me in this community. Oh mama, because I can never be alive. I can never be alive in this community, and it is too possible.
Baba, he almost killed me.
What did you do to him? Tell me.
Baba, I did not do anything. I heard him screaming. I went to check on him to know what was wrong. He started to beat me. He almost strangled me, Baba.
Are you talking about Sobena?
Look at my neck. They don't know more.
It's okay. Come, let us go see. Come.
You are going to stand.
Let's go for him. What is this, Tobena? Tobena! What is actually wrong with you? Why should you lay your finger on my daughter you just married few days ago? Why are you making this? In that water? Have you lost it? What is wrong with you?
Ichie, please. Calm down.
Please what? Calm down how? How will you want me to calm down?
Did you see I lay my hands on you?
Look at it. Why are you pretending like you don't know what I said? Ichie Tobum, you wanted to kill me.
Are you denying it?
He's pretending.
Ah! What's happening to you? Onadako. I've never seen a thing like this. I've never.
Get her.
Can't get her out.
Let's go.
Ibe! Ibe!
What is it? Why are you running? Talk now.
Have you heard?
Heard what?
Tobena.
What happened to them?
He's been acting strange. Like someone under powerful spell. They said he roars like a lion. And he's been eating grass like a goat. Hey, so you've not heard at all?
I've not heard.
They even said he barks like a dog and attacking people.
So where is he at the moment?
Well, to what I heard is at the village square. But I believe we should go and see him for ourselves. Let's go.
Huh?
What is going on? I heard Tobena is acting like an animal and he's attacking everyone. Why? Eh?
I don't understand. What are you talking about? Urema sent me on an errand to our maternal home. I'm just coming back.
So you don't know. Let us go and find out what is going on.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
What is this? What's happening here? Eh? Are you sure this is not as a result of the Akokukomo you went to collect?
Do I know? Hey!
Papa, the truth is that I cannot marry Tobena again. I am done.
So he went and got the Akwokokomo. Did he ask questions? How did he do that? Does he know the implication? That Akwa comes with havoc and fortune at the same time. The last man that did it years back here didn't end well. Who must have advised him to do that?
Now, whoever that advised him is not my business. I am done. Manuzi, just take a good look at me. My own husband, eating grass, barking like a dog, running like a lion. I have never been humiliated that way in my life. He will be on everyone's lips till generations to come. I am done. I cannot marry him again.
The priestess said that he can only get better if someone that loves him return their Akwokoko back to the evil forest.
And why are you doing this, if I may ask? Why are you seeking solutions for him? He brought this upon himself. Let him enjoy the consequences.
Hey, Rema, it's your husband. Eh?
He was my husband. Someone that behaves like him cannot be my husband. Someone who barks like a dog. Besides, I'm not even getting this whole thing. Olamegi. Digi. Is he your husband? Why do you care so much? Ogini, my friend, go back to your position. Go and continue with your duties on Akoiri. The priestess. Nyala.
See, I keep saying it. Mother na sin na ya, na nekwa Bible mbo. If a child does not tell his father, yeah, Papa, Father, this is where we live before. It cannot happen. Listen, I don't want. Don't do also. Ibu ejune. Yeah, also. Look at you two. Look at you. Look at all of you. Few weeks ago, you were singing to Bedna's praises. To Bedna ka yes. Mona bo to Bedna ka. Ona boza bokata. Ona kadeso pe. Maka ona bozi na anu. Obozi no ile jeje mona gaga. Ona kadeso pe. Yeah? No, tell me. Look at the Bedna that you people were singing praises for. Acting like an animal. Yeah? Oh. How are the mighty fallen? Especially gay. Anayo. Anaboka Anayo in Echo. You're behaving like your name. Anayo. Nayo, that will kill you. Idiot. Huh? Tabenda is the richest. His wealth is wider than you can imagine, longer than you can imagine. How far? His wealth longer than you can imagine now. Idiot. Yeah, hey, I let me drink. Are you not drinking? I'm talking to you.
Leave me alone now. I'm not in the mood for drink now. What is it? You must be in the mood. Leave me alone. No. What is it?
I want to leave you alone.
Leave me alone. Onoma, leave me alone.
We idiot.
Thank you.
You were here shouting, saying all sort of rubbish. Tobenda of an idiot yesterday or my God look at Babo. Tobenda the cow. You were here singing praises. Idiot. Now look at him now. Look at him. Barely 2 months that he became rich. Can you pay the message back? What is no, what is you are listening. When you were collecting money, I didn't to all this for me. Are you not going to say anything? Just take it easy. I won't talk. Go. Take it easy. What? What he was giving you money, did you tell him take it easy? Huh? Look at him now.
On my house go.
It's okay. No, tell me who is laughing the last laugh. I will deal with all of you. Because all of you were making mockery of me. A mockery of a man that got his wealth through hard work. Just because he wanted quick money. He now went and took what belongs to the spirit. His body will tell him. I'm telling you. You should go and change him. Go and change the idiot before he disappears. Yes, before he disappears like the last idiot that wanted quick money and went to the evil forest and took the same pot of Akokoko more years ago. Go and change him because he will disappear. Idiot! The AZ wanted to compete with the real hustlers. He thinks my money came from my Akokoko more. My wealth came as a result of hard work. That's why I'm this wealthy. Oburobai Kechaka, Oburobai Keziano here. And I don't say, idiot. You people sing praises and call him the richest man. The richest one. Look at your richest man. Look at your richest man lying like Ikwikwii in the village where. Lying like an inchi. And the village where? Memunalo. Now, tell me, who is now laughing the last laugh?
Tobina. Tobina. It's me. Tobina, just calm down, okay? I don't want to hurt you. I just want to check on you, please. Just calm down. Please. Please. Just calm down. My lady, is he going to be okay? Does he look like he's going to be okay?
But you already know what the priestess said. That if the one who loves him returns the pot, he'll be fine again. You are going to do it, right?
Me? May the gods forbid. Hey! See, Chiamaka, I don't love Tobina at all. I was only attracted to him because of his wealth. I felt he befits my status. And he's good looking too. Talking about love, me Urema risk my own life for Tobina.
Oh, he's your husband.
Bogini! I am done. He's not my husband. Please, I beg you. Do not hurt me. Please do not harm me. Please, I have not come to take anything from here. I have only come to return what was taken. Please. My soul is pure. My spirit is kind. I beg you, please spare my life. Please, please.
Your soul is pure. And your spirit is kind. I will not harm you. Continue your journey. I will direct your spirit. You are there. Drop the pot under the tree. Drop the pot under that tree.
Tobina. Tobina.
Huh?
Tobina.
Okay, Mom. Chamara.
Fine.
What is going on?
What happened? Why am I looking like this? Urema! Where's my wife? And what are you doing here?
The Akwa Kokomo took a toll on you. You lost your mind. You started acting very crazy. Started acting like different animals. Everyone abandoned you, including your Urema. The priestess said that only the one that truly loves you can return the pot back to the evil forest. Urema refused to go, so I decided to go. I am just coming back from the evil forest, and I thank the gods that you are fine.
Chiamaka, you saved me. You saved my life. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for always standing by me. May the gods bless you.
Tubina.
Thank you so much.
Tubina, Tubina. Tubina.
Chika! Chika! Where's Chiamaka?
I don't know. She's not back yet.
She's not back.
Yes.
Well, where did she go to? So she hasn't returned to this place. Now listen to me. When she returns, tell her that I don't want to see her anywhere close to this hut again. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Else I will strangle her. Such a senseless maiden. How did she leave this place without letting anyone know? I don't know where.
Sorry, my lady.
I thought you loved me. But no, you didn't. You were only about my status. Aren't you? Urema, like they say, the mask will cover the face, but the truth will find a way to be seen. I have come to inform you that I am no longer interested in the marriage. Tell your father to keep the bride price. I do not need them. You are now a free woman. Enjoy your life. I wish you well.
Gee. Chika.
My lady.
What just happened now?
I don't know.
Hey. Was he pretending?
Eh?
Looks like he was faking all this way.
No, he's looking okay. Eh? Seems like she returned the sacred egg.
Eh?
What are you going to do?
Hey! I am a fokwa nontin bikon.
Child. Chiamaka. I have treated you unfairly. I have failed to see how much you love me. How much you have wanted the best for me. Please, Chiamaka. Forgive me. Forgive me for everything I have done to you. If you had not returned that akwokoko more, I would have lost everything and be forgotten. Thank you. This means a lot to me. I know I have lost everything. But I have found a treasure. And that treasure is you.
Tobina, it is okay. Let us go home.
What is going on here? What am I seeing? What is that? Is it me you are turning for? You want to fight me? Look at the so-called rich man. Look at the so-called richest man. Idiot. You have come back to square one. What am I even talking? You have come back to square zero. Easy. So that you want to compete with me? You think my wealth came from Akwokoko? Listen, my wealth came as a result of hard work. You don't Paula. You're holding him. You're holding Metegalo. This time I will deal with you. Memegalo. I will tell you that it is only a foolish cockroach that will go to a function where fowls are special guests. Easy. Look at you. Nani, you ate from the plate before, and now you are back eating from the ground. What's that? You think you want to compete with me? It's a legend in this community. You cannot outshine me. It will never be possible. Only impossible. I did not get my way from Akwokoko. Easy. You are falling. Let me tell you. It is better not to rise than to rise and then fall back again and remain there. You are falling. And you will remain on the ground till death do you part. Idiot. Idiot.
Do not listen to anything he has said. Do not listen to his rants. Tobina, you may have fallen, but you are not on the ground.
Look at me. Even if you fall 10 times, I will stand by you. You know why? Because you and I will rise again together. I promise you. Calm down. Okay.
Akwa nọ n'ime agụ, akwa na-enyekwa akụ n'ụba. Oh, mana akwa siri ike okwute dọrọ n'ikpere mmiri mmiri macha ozuru ike. Chai, onye dị ya jikwa ihe, onye dị ya nwere akụ n'ụba. Mana ihe mewe ife akwa ọkụkọ ya na sacrifice. Oh lo 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 lo, akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike, ọ dịkwa ike akwa ọkụkọ dịkwa n'ajọ ọfịa iyo. Akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike, akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike, akwa ọkụkọ bụ ike. Ị ga-akakwa obi ajebulu